Hello guys, today we'll discuss about some scientific terms which are used in our daily life, and these are very important in MDCAT and many other exams. First, what is science? Science is the study of physical and natural world through observation and experiment. Mean to say, you observe your nature through observation and experiments. Then the study of animals is known as biology. It is very simple. Study of plant is known as botany. Study of bones is known as osteology. The study of bone is known as osteology. Then the study of hair and scalps is known as trichology. Trichology. Then the study of lungs is known as pulmonology. Pulmonology. The study of lungs is known as pulmonology. Then the study of kidney is known as nephrology. The study of kidney is known as nephrology. The study of eyes is known as ophthalmology. Okay? The study of eyes is known as ophthalmology. Then the study of ears is known as otology. The study of ears is known as otology. Nose. The study of nose is known as otolaryngology. Otolaryngology. The study of hands is known as palmistry or chirology. The study of ants is known as palmistry or chirology. The study of viruses is known as virology. The study of viruses is known as virology. The study of heart is known as cardiology. The study of heart is known as cardiology. The study of blood is known as hematology. The study of blood is known as hematology. The study of liver is known as hepatology. The study of liver is known as hepatology. Hepatology. The study of fungi is known as mycology. FM. Study of fungi is known as mycology. The study of algae is known as phycology. The study of algae is known as phycology. The study of cancer is known as oncology. The study of cancer is known as oncology. The study of fruits is known as pomology. The study of fruits is known as pomology. The study of birds is known as ornithology. The study of birds is known as ornithology. The study of eggs is known as ology. U mean egg, logi mean study. The study of oology is known as the study of eggs is known as oology. The study of children and their behavior and development is known as pedology. Pedology. The study of soil is known as pedology. The study of soil is known as pedology. The study of cell is known as cytology. The study of cell is known as cytology. The study of tissue is known as histology. The study of tissues is known as histology. The study of human body function is known as physiology. The study of human body function and form is known as physiology. Chemistry of life and biochemical reaction is the term under biochemistry. Biochemistry is the chemistry of life. Stomach. Gastroenterology. Stomach. The study of stomach is known as gastroenterology. The study of gallbladder is known as hepatobiliary. The study of gallbladder is known as hepatobiliary. So these are some important terms. If you like these terms, please subscribe that channel. Okay. You must know these terms and learn by heart. Thank you. Thank you all.